This is the Rebound Cartilage and Unloader One Smart Dosing strap replacement video. For easy replacement, refer to the dots on the frame of the brace to correlate to the same numbered dot on the button hook of the strap. Note, for strap number 4, the dots are on the buckle and frame, as there are no dots on the replacement strap. Lay the brace flat with extra straps to the side. Remove the upper strap number 1 and replace with strap with correlating 1 dot. Now, remove calf strap number 2 and replace with the strap with correlating 2 dot. Next, remove the lower strap number 3 and replace with strap with correlating 3 dot. Finally, remove the thigh strap with correlating 4 dots on buckle and on the frame.